The chair of the embattled Thunder Bay Police Services Board held a news conference today. She made her first comments on the reinvestigation of 16 Indigenous deaths in the city.
Kristen Oliver apologized to the affected families, and she insists the board is trying to rebuild trust in the local police service. Vasilios Bellos reports.
Chair Kristen Oliver's remarks come as there are ongoing reinvestigations into 16 cases involving Indigenous deaths in Thunder Bay. Thunder Bay Police Service is also facing complaints against senior leadership regarding discrimination and mental health of workers. Chair Oliver addressed the turmoil, remaining optimistic that trust between the community and police service can be rebuilt.
I think that with concrete policies and plans in place that demonstrate clearly to Indigenous communities, their leadership, and to their community and to the people within their community, that we are taking this seriously. I think that when you look at the recommendations and the substantial work that's already been completed, I think that's an indication there as well that we're taking these recommendations seriously and trying to rebuild that trust.
Last week, the board agreed to bring on an expert panel to review human rights complaints and mental health concerns surrounding Thunder Bay policing, further adding to those with the service under their microscope. Chair Oliver offered apologies to the families, stating that the extensive ongoing review forces them to relive tragedy.
I certainly feel for these families. They've been through a lot, and I know that the chief also stated the same thing. And when we look at the reinvestigations and the outcomes of these investigations, I think that these families have been, they continue to feel grief and sorrow because the closure just isn't there. And for that, I sincerely apologize.
Oliver's apology comes as some First Nations leaders in the north, including Anishinaabe-Aski Nation Deputy Grand Chief, have called for the disbandment of the Thunder Bay Police Service. Vasilios Bellos, TBT News.